Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Master. Today in this video I am going to unbox Realme 360 degrees 1080p camera. As you can see, this is our ordered pouch from Amazon. This pack contains the camera of Realme web camera. As you can see, here is the camera in front. You got brand name and logo. You can see the view of camera. In upside can also see the model name of camera. And inside you can see brand name Realme, and in back you can see the some detail and price of camera. If you want to buy these camera, you can buy only in 3000 Rs. You have been given a link in the description of this video. You can buy from there with discount. Above this you will get to see some function which is being given to you in which camera. Let me open these box. Inside you can see one more small box. Let's side this box for a while. Now you can see one more box, and I may side the box. First I open a little box. In these box you can see one charging adapter 2.0. And one holder of camera and 2.0 cable. This camera is not chargeable and you have to walk on this direct line here. You can see the cable of adapter and a some pamphlets and manual. Here you can see the manual. Let me tear these also package. You can see the holder of camera. Finally I am going to show you the came. Here you can see the camera of Realme. You will get to see this camera in white color. I quickly take it out of the pouch. Here you can see the wonderful camera in lower. In lower you can see the serial no and reset button and model number. In back of the came you can see the speaker. All the features you are getting to see in this box. You will get these features, and you have any doubt you can comment in my comment section and press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Tech Master.